Oh, how's it going, guys? Okay, so truck's gone and I apologize. Let me see, I started Monday. I came out yesterday. No, I started Sunday. I stripped all the parts off, I think. Monday, because today's Wednesday. Monday, I started the fab of the rad support. I come out yesterday. And the truck was just breaking my back. Like, it was just giving me a hard time. And like I've told everybody, if you're having, you know what I mean, the best thing to do is just walk away. So that's what I did. I just shut the garage down. I came out today. I was a day late, but it's done. It's out of here. I will be back for some more body work though, for body work this time on the cab itself. It needs rockers, cab corners, inner rockers, and door skin on both sides and that. But I gotta call Teacher Pete because he goes, I don't know if I was supposed to call him today or if he was gonna call me today. I can't remember. But I also broke a lug nut on the truck too. I didn't realize my impact was on number 5, and the first bolt, you know, I hit the trigger, it stopped, and it, you know, I didn't release it quick enough, and snapped. You know, I got my impacts 450 foot-pounds, something like that, and then an air compressor that had a full tank of air. And that lug nut did not have no chance whatsoever. So I got to pick up a lug nut tomorrow for him and punch out the old one and put a new one in. But yeah, so I didn't make a video today because, or yesterday, because the truck was just not cooperating with me. And I shut her down yesterday, and then I came out today, and I had such a mess all over the place, and you know what I mean, when it's messy, and then I'm kind of cranky because things, you know what I mean, I'm trying to hurry up and do it right. But this is all the, you know what I mean, frame. This is all rust. Just, there's not really much holding that frame where the steering box was. So it was really important for me to take my time. I welded on the inside, like I did the 2 sides, welded inside, outside, and then I grinded down a bit, and then I stitched welded the opposite way, just because the steering box was there. But when I was all done, both sides measured an inch, just below 1 3/4 inches. It was even on both ends, so it helps to measure multiple times. But it was a big job. That was crazy. Prittner used a whole bottle on that. Lots of welding in that. And yeah, but yeah, I broke that lug nut. And I don't know where I put it. I know. But I didn't lose my temper. I didn't get all crazy ass and start breaking things. It's just not my cup of tea. I'd rather walk away. And, you know, and I come out today and I tidied up, you know, but left what I need out. You know, I put all my tools in one area, like you sort of noticed that there. You know what I mean? And got her done. And but it is coming, like I said, back for body work. So, but I need to find Pete. I call him Teacher Pete. His phone number. So if you watch my video, give me a call, Pete. But I'm gonna let you guys go and apologize for. For not making any videos for part 3, but just a little bit of 1/8 here, and that little piece of 1/8. And yeah. But I'm telling you right now, man, I'm happy. I'm glad that guy lent me the plasma cutter. That thing saved my butt for the last 3 days, because it took me Monday to do one part, Tuesday I was out here, and then today. So I don't, you know what I mean? So probably 16, 17, 18 hours on it. And that's because I needed to do a whole lot of measuring. And thank God for power packs too. The power pack. Would have been nice to have both of them, but yeah, so I'm done. I'm going in, and I'll see you guys on next one. Next one will be some actual body work, and see you guys tomorrow, man. Ciao. How's it going, guys? Okay, so I got another vehicle here. So I'm just gonna clean your eyes there for a minute. Yeah, cold. Okay. This one's a complete. But what I'm looking for is my stand, because I want to show you that my spot welder works. It turned out that the plug for my spot welder in the MIG, or the plasma cutter, is the same one. So I'll show you guys my $125 spot welder. That's what I bought it for at the pawn shop. And I brought her home, cleaned her up. That's her right there. I just gotta learn the learning the settings on it. That's it. These are heavy, man. Okay, so I just got a little piece of metal down here. So I'm just gonna put one on both ends. So that's pretty good. Like I said, I just gotta play with the settings, because where the guy is. I've never I've used a spot welder, but kind of like forks. Oh, there we go. That's those two right there, all the way through. So that's not bad. Let's do a little bit more. As soon as I find the happy spot, this is what I'm going to use. There we go. A little bit of milking in the back. That's good. I think that's good. But you know, so this is my plan with that machine. I bought it for $125 last year, and I've never tried it. And Steve down the road, he's got the same one, and he paid $1,000 for his. So when he seen I had that, and then he said if I ever get rid of it, to let him have first dibs at it. But of course, I'm going to do that. I'm burning some pure cedar just to get the good old pure cedar softwood. But, so the plan is with that there is, you know, when I want to tack weld something on and I'm ready to go, like say a box side, like just a wheel wall arch before welding, just do it that way instead of, you know, bzz, bzz, bzz. And but let's go check out this truck. Today's landfill day. Today is also May 24. I don't know why they call it May 24, because okay, this is it here. I don't know if you guys can see. Fenders are getting changed. Rockers in and out. Cab corners. They need to be taken back off. Or maybe I can slide them behind. I'm not sure. They've been glued on. The bottom of door skins. They're all pooched. What year is this truck? It's got to be like a 97. Yeah, 97. Oh, around there. There. I'm not sure about the tailgate. It's in pretty bad shape. Might be looking for another one. But anyways, yeah. Fenders being changed and then. So I'm going to take the box off of this truck. Because it is a bush truck. I'm going to power wash the snot out of this frame. And power wash all the wheel wells like I always do in the summertime. And change door pins. I got to change the door pins. And that, so. And then that gives me a chance to see how dirty it is. I'm just going to power wash that whole thing, man, so nothing bites me in the dust. There's me giving Brenda the finger. You ready? Huh. Okay, guys, so I'll let you go from there, but I just wanted to show you that the spot welder works good. 125 bucks, you can't go wrong. And see you guys in a bit. Ciao. Well, how's it going, guys? So we're attempting to take this Fairlane out of the garage. And this is what I got going on. So I need to get that pole from under there. And I could hoist the whole thing up. But we took the backhoe, we're just doing, got the trailer off and we're lowering it down, and our backhoe cab, and doesn't it fall on its side. No dents. I took the layer of paint off, but the primer's still there, but they gotta be painted yellow, so I'll park you here somewhere and let's see if we can get this car off without hurting ourselves. So many thoughts in this. So many thoughts on how to do this. Now I could put another set of blocks. That would probably be my safest thing. But we're gonna try to port pack this side down and then get that block out of there. So let's do that. Give me some extensions to it. No, I need something that's gonna grab onto this guy. Can you guys see me? Because I need a witness.
No, I need some push. The other one's
just a little too tight. I go like this. Kick this sucker in. Okay. Oh, you know what? It'll be screwed then. Okay. Because then I won't be able to lower it. I need something with some. There we go. Why don't I face that camera more towards me so they can see me get hurt?
I just got there how you know.
Yeah, went to Eric's there. He said I could go grab some of these blocks. I was like, nice. Figured if I could get one of these off, right? Maybe. Yeah. There's one. That should catch the frame right off the bat. Okay, down to the other side, so I'll meet you guys around. Very, very difficult thinking here. It kind of hurts the head. gonna do with this guy is we're just gonna jack it up and then we're gonna kick it. It's the car is sitting on. It's supposed to be sitting on. I'm gonna have to kick her. Look at that. Now I gotta take the bottom off from the back. Now the back. And now I'll get this car out of here. I want to grab that block one.
Put it where?
We're going to come here. Just make sure it's centered of the big one. Stuff like that. Okay, things are good. Okay, so here we go, guys. We'll jack this sucker up, and hopefully this is strong enough there.
Oh, I'm not fucking jack this time. I'm not fucking jack this time.
Pretty rotten here. Pretty rotten. It is rotten. There we are. So we're going to shut it off right here, take whatever off of this thing, and bring it outside. We're going to hook back up again. Good? Yeah. Very scary. I don't think the car was going to go anywhere. that corner. Tell me before I hit it.
Yeah. Okay, stop.
Guess I didn't move enough, eh? Come here, too close.
Keep going. Keep going. I'm just gonna turn this off for now.
Huh?
You can turn this off.
Yeah. How's it going, guys? So, she's parked for now. That's why I have it so far back, because I wanted to make sure it was going to balance for me. And so everything's alright, so looks weird to see it outside. But yeah. Now I'm gonna go eat supper. And I don't know how I feel afterwards, and then we'll just go from there. Ciao.